PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair in Wayne, Pennsylvania specializes in commercial HVAC system repairs, service, replacement and installations. Our skilled team of commercial HVAC replacement technicians provide quality workmanship and fast, efficient service at competitive rates. If you have any questions, please contact our commercial HVAC replacement team right away. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC replacement near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What happens when HVAC is replaced? After HVAC replacement, pressure and vacuum tests are done before refrigerant is added. After a thorough inspection, refrigerant is added and the system is activated and retested. How fast can HVAC be replaced? Air conditioner replacement takes 4 to 8 hours. It takes 8 to 14 hours to replace both your furnace and air conditioner. What is your service area for the Wayne, Pennsylvania service office? Our commercial HVAC replacement service have served Wayne, St. David's, Villanova, Gulf Mills, South Wayne Historic District, Villanova, Stratford, Radnor, King of Prussia, Ethan, Rosemont, Devon, Bryn Mawr, Radnor Township, Conshohocken, Pennsylvania. Where is your Wayne, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC replacement office located? We are located at 650 West Lancaster Avenue No. A, Wayne, Pennsylvania 19087. Our phone number is 610-424-6274. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Lancaster-Wayne-HVAC-service.